data structures using C. During this lecture, you will learn how to display the content of a linked list, and also you'll learn how to delete the first node of the linked list. So we'll write function subprogram in C to display the contents of a linked list and also delete the first node of the linked list. So here you have the linked list, you have got the head pointing to the first node that leads to the second node, third node, and this is grounded, and the last node refers to null. And here we have got the declaration of list node. We have declared a new type called list node, and it contains, as you know already, a number and a link to the next. And we declare head, star head, as pointer called head, as a global variable. And in our program, first what we usually do is we assign null to the head, and that is how we initialize the list. Now about displaying the content of the list. So we come here. So head is pointing to the first node. So first we have to traverse the list. As we traverse, I come here, this becomes current, I print the content of that, I go to the next node, I print the content of that, I go to the next node, print the content of that, till I come to the end of the list. So this is how it is done. First, assign the address of the head to a variable called current. Once you have done that, then you say as long as the end of the list is not reached, or as long as current is not equal to null, go and display the content of each node. That is done. While current is not null, print the content of the current node and go to the next. So I'm here current, because head is pointing to current. I print 20, then current becomes current next, this becomes current, I print the content of that, then current becomes current next, I print the content of that, and current next is equal to null, therefore it comes out of the loop. So this way we have printed the content of the list. This is the C code for that. This is the name of the function. I declare pointer variable called current of the type list node. Then first thing is I ask if the head is equal to null. First of all, I cannot print the content of the list if there is no list. So if the head is equal to null, I say list is empty, return. Otherwise, what you do, assign the head to current, and you go on traverse the list and print the content of the list till current becomes null. So this is the function to print the content of a list. Here, how to delete the first node of a list. So here you have head pointing to the node, first node. So let us see the algorithm. First, again, assign the address of the head to current. This is, so head is assigned to current. So here we have head is assigned to current. Then what do we do? Then assign current next to head. That is, this is current now. Current next is assigned to head. So that is what is happening. So here, therefore, head is equal to current next. Then we want to get the number. So therefore, get the value of current node. So and assign it to number. I get the value of the current node and assign it to number. 20 goes in there. So now we have got the number. We are going to delete this node. Then you say free current node. This node is deleted. So free current is that memory is released, and then this is how we remove that node, and we say return the value, return number contains 20, it is returned. So this is how we delete the first node of a linked list. So this is the code for that. Name of the function is delete first node. We declare local variable and a number, one more variable, and again we ask if the head is equal to null, list is empty. Otherwise, you assign the head to current, then you say head is equal to current next, you get the number on the current node and you free that current and return the number. So this is how we are going to delete the first node of a linked list, and that is what we need in queue. This is what we are going to do. We are going to remove the content of the first node in a queue. So thank you.